Linear equations are always seen to be abstract, but in this lesson, you will discover how to remove that. Simultaneous linear equations. Simultaneous linear equations involving two variables. Consider the equation x plus y is equal to 5. It has several values for x and y that can satisfy x plus y is equal to 5. The x values are 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Y values are 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. Elimination method. Solving simultaneous equations by elimination method. Solve the simultaneous equations by elimination method. A. 3x minus 2y is equal to 11. 2x minus 2y is equal to 10. Method. Let 3x minus 2y is equal to 11 be equation 1 and 2x minus 2y is equal to 10 be equation 2. Subtract equation 2 from equation 1, which gives us x is equal to 1. The value of x is now equal to 1. In equation 1 or 2, substitute 1 for x. In the two illustrations, it was easy to eliminate one unknown, for its coefficient were numerically equal. When the signs in front of the unknown to be eliminated are the same, we subtract, and when the signs are different, we add. Solve the simultaneous equations. 9x plus 3y is equal to 21. 3x minus 6y is equal to 0. Let 9x plus 3y is equal to 21 be equation 1 and 3x minus 6y is equal to 0 be equation 2. Note the coefficients of the unknowns are not the same. Multiply equation 2 by 3 to make the coefficients of x equal numerically. Let this equation be equation 3. 9x minus 18y is equal to 0. Subtract equation 3 from equation 1 to eliminate x. 9x plus 3y is equal to 21. 9x minus 18y is equal to 0. 21y is equal to 21. Dividing both sides by 21. 21y over 21 is equal to 21 over 21. Therefore, y is equal to 1. when solving simultaneous equations by eliminations method. 1. Decide which variable to eliminate. 2. Make the coefficient of the variable the same in both equations. 3. Eliminate the variable by addition or subtraction as is appropriate. 4. Solve for the remaining variable. And 5. Substitute your value for part 4 above in any of the original equations to solve for the other variable. Substitution method. Solving simultaneous equations by substitution method. Writing one variable in terms of other variables. Find y in terms of x. A. 4x minus y is equal to 10. Solution. Subtract 4x from both sides of the equation. 4x minus y is equal to 10 minus 4x. Negative y is equal to 10 minus 4x. Multiply both sides of the equation by negative 1. Negative y times negative 1 is equal to, into brackets, 10 minus 4x times negative 1. Y is equal to negative 10 plus 4x. In y is equal to 4x minus 10, y is expressed in terms of x. B. 3x plus 7y is equal to 29. Solution. Note, if an equation is used to write one variable in terms of the other, it cannot be used again for substitution. Solve the simultaneous linear equations by substitution. 1. 2t plus 3s is equal to 8. 6t plus 5s. 6t plus 5s is equal to 16. Let 2t plus 3s is equal to 8 be equation 1 and 6t plus 5s is equal to 16 be equation 2. Using equation 1, write in terms of s, which gives 2t over 2 is equal to 8 minus 3s over 2. T is equal to 8 minus 3s over 2. Let this equation be equation 3. Using equation 1, write t in terms of s. Substitute 8 minus 3s over 2 for t in equation 2. 6 into brackets 8 minus 3s over 2 plus 5s is equals to 16. Multiply both sides of the equation by 2. 6 into bracket 8 minus 3s plus 10s is equal to 32. 48 minus 48 minus 8s is equal to 32 minus 48. Therefore, s is equal to 2. t is equal to 8 minus 3 into bracket 2 over 2. T is equal to 8 minus 6 over 2. T is equal to 2 over 2. Therefore, t is equal to 1. Number 2. Solve the simultaneous linear equations by substitution method. 5